Hey explorers, I've got an experiment for you that kind of blew my mind when I first tried it out because I wasn't sure if it would work or not. And what this is holding water inside of a water bottle using nothing but toilet paper. Because even wet, even a thin, tiny little sheet of toilet paper can hold water into a container because of air pressure. Now let's have a look at it. First thing we're gonna need to do is grab all of our stuff. So we've got our bottle, smaller the better. We've got our toilet paper, we've got our water, and we've got a bowl because science happens and you want to make sure that you can catch the mess. When you're choosing your bottle, you're going to want to grab something small. Smaller helps this work a little better. You want a nice flat rim around the top, no spouts, anything like that. And I'm going to use one of my beakers because science. Then we fill it with water. You want to make sure it's filled all the way to the top. It's very important that the water does get the toilet paper wet in order for this to work. Next, we're going to take our toilet paper and we're going to lower it down over the top of the bottle. We're going to let it make contact with the water, and as soon as it gets wet and it suctions to the rim of the glass, you can turn it upside down. This works because of air pressure. Air, whether you think of it or not, is actually kind of heavy, and it puts pressure on everything it touches. From the top, from the bottom, left, right, yes, diagonally as well. What happens is that the air pushing on one side of the toilet paper equals out with the water from the other side, allowing us to turn it upside down for at least a little period of time before the toilet paper gets too wet and it lets go. This one's actually holding pretty good. And there you have it. A very quick and easy experiment all about air pressure that you can probably do right now with stuff around the house. Have fun. Woo.